Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you will hold power key and the volume up at the same time. So there was the vibration. So power key, volume up. There we go. Which will boot you into boot mode. So in here, using only volume up, you want to navigate in order to select the first option. From there, press volume down to confirm it. Next thing you will see is an Android with no command. So to get past that, we will hold the power key, and while holding power key, press volume up. There we go. And once we have access to our recovery mode, using both volume keys to navigate now, we can scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go. Process is now finished. So let's also select the reboot system now, which will take us back to Android. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.